Stop saying, "How are you?"
Say, how's it going?
No problem.
It's no big deal.
In the end,
Finally.
it's a secret.
It's hush hush.
I love it.
I'm crazy about it.
Goodbye.
See you.
I'm angry.
I'm seeing red.
Stop saying, "It's okay."
Say, it's all good.
I don't know.
I'm not certain.
You go first.
After you.
I understand.
I get it.
Good luck.
Break a leg.
I'm nervous.
I'm anxious.
It hurts.
I'm in pain.
I don't like it.
It's not my thing.
Wait a moment.
Hang on a sec.
I'm leaving.
I'm heading out.
It's raining a lot.
It's pouring.
Stop saying, "I need help."
Say, I need a hand.
I believe you.
I trust you.
What time is it?
Got the time.
That's bad.
It's the pits.
I'm interested.
I'm curious.
Very smart.
Intelligent.
Shut up.
Be quiet.
I'm very busy.
My plate is full.
Let me know.
Keep me posted.
It's very cold.
It's freezing.
It's very hot.
It's scorching.
Stop saying, "I like it."
Say, it's pleasant.
He's rich.
He's loaded.
I'm very angry.
I'm fuming.
That's strange.
That's odd.
I'm sure.
I'm certain.
You're right.
You're spot on.
It's fine.
It's all good.
Stop saying, "Hi."
Say, greetings.
What is your name?
May I know your name?
Wait a minute.
Hold on a second.
It's easy.
It's a piece of cake.
How old are you?
May I ask your age?
That's wrong.
That's off the mark.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
Do you like music?
Are you into music?
Stop saying, "Yes."
Say, definitely.
That's amazing.
It's mind-blowing.
I don't understand.
I don't get it.
Good job.
Way to go.
It's not a problem.
No worries.
I'm fine.
I'm outstanding.
Go away.
Please leave.
Be careful.
Watch out.
Relax.
Kick back.
Goodbye.
Take care.
Stop saying, "Very interesting."
Say, fascinating.
You are welcome.
My pleasure.
I forgot.
It slipped my mind.
Calm down.
Take it easy.
Very pretty.
Gorgeous.
Very ugly.
Hideous.
Very beautiful.
Stunning.
It's my fault.
That's on me.
I can't decide.
I'm torn.
I'm bored.
I'm stuck in a rut.
Try your best.
Give it your all.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Stop saying, it's okay.
Say, no biggie.
Let's move on.
Let's carry on.
Tell me.
I'm listening.
I understand.
I see your point.
It's very important.
It's crucial.
Good luck.
All the best.
Stop saying, nice to meet you.
Say, pleasure to meet you.
How are you?
How have you been?
And you?
How about yourself?
I am fine.
I'm doing great.
I'm very angry.
I'm furious.
Relax.
Put your feet up.
No, sorry.
I'm afraid I can't.
Very noisy.
Deafening.
Stop saying, I am in.
Say, I'm game.
Yes, I do.
Absolutely, I love it.
It's cheap.
It's a steal.
I'm serious.
I mean it.
I think.
I believe.
It's ugly.
It's unattractive.
It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
It's small.
It's tiny.
I don't know.
Let me find out.
See you later.
Catch you later.
Stop saying, hello,
Say, what's up?
thank you,
I appreciate it.
good job,
Well done.
I'm fine,
Never better.
good night,
Sleep tight.
very good,
Awesome.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
Stop saying, relax,
Say, chill out.
excuse me,
Pardon.
it's cold,
It's chilly.
I am very tired,
I'm exhausted.
sit down,
Have a seat.
I don't know,
Beats me.
can I help you?
May I assist you?
I don't understand,
I'm in the dark.
let's meet today,
Let's catch up today.
I am very busy,
I'm swamped.
sorry, I fell asleep.
Sorry, I dozed off.